My name is Ashley Faye, and I'm the founder and designer of Ashley Aprons. I've been a waitress for 11 years, and in that time, I came up with an idea of putting a clip on the back of an apron so you no longer have to tie it, and you don't have to worry about it falling down anymore in the middle of your shift. One day I was in the weeds, and I was waiting on a table, and my apron fell down. It was so embarrassing, and they kind of just looked at me and laughed, and I thought in the back of my head, if you only knew that my apron comes down all the time and I have to retie it in the middle of my shift. So I had an idea, and I said, why don't I just put a clip on the back of it? So I came home and I talked to my husband a little bit about it, and I was like, I'm going to go buy a sewing machine. So I bought a sewing machine, and I made my first apron. And one day my friend was over, who's a server as well, and I was like, I'm going to show you something. So I brought the apron out, and her first reaction was, ooh, I like this. Will you make me one? And I was like, sure, and she put it on, she loved it. So I decided to fire up my sewing machine again, and I made another apron, and I put an adjustable strap on it as well, so it could be one size fits all for everyone. I triple stitched each side to make it durable and make it so where it's long lasting. I believe that I have came up with an idea good enough to solve the problem of an apron that comes untied or falls down. This thing isn't going anywhere. It's going to stay in one spot your whole entire shift, and when you're done, you could just click it off and wrap it up, put it in your purse, or do whatever you want with it. If you're a guy, you just throw it in your car and be done with it. So I really, really, really want to get it out there and let people know that you don't have to worry about it anymore. It's the problem solved. You can find Ashley Aprons at facebook.com or etsy.com. If you just type in ashleyaprons.com, and you can place your order there. The aprons come in 1, 2, and 3 pockets. They come long or short, whatever your needs are. We can customize it to your needs. And I also designed a cook apron as well. So it looks just like a cook apron, but it has the belt and the clip in the back. So the cooks don't have to worry about their aprons coming undone either.
So I know this is Ashley's channel, but we're sitting here laying on the couch with our animals brainstorming about her aprons. And we went into the restaurant where she used to work yesterday to eat lunch. And every single waitress in the restaurant was wearing her clickable, adjustable, adjust one time, click aprons. And then she said something, and I'm like, we got to make a video about this, because you said that with the waitresses, if they forget their apron or it's dirty or they haven't washed it and they got to wear a regular string apron that everybody else usually wears, they're frustrated all day because it's like constantly coming loose and untying and sagging. Why is that?
Yeah, they get pissed because like the Ashley apron has the clip and the belt on it, so it stays on all day, and then they can just click it on and off as they go. If they have to wear a string apron, they literally have to go through the process of tying it on, and then when they go to the bathroom, they got to tie it off, then tie it back on. They have nowhere to put it. Usually it goes on the floor because they don't know where else to put it, and that's gross, but that's the truth about aprons, is that they go on the floor. Because they have nowhere to put it. There's no hook on it, like that you can just hook an apron on. If you clip the Ashley apron together, you clip it, and then you can hang it on the hook in the stall.
Or even over the door if there isn't a hook or anywhere.
Yeah, it solves so many issues. And like the new aprons that I designed have pen pockets on them, so the pens literally just stay in one place too. So like your apron's gonna stay in one place and your pens are in one place. it literally solves the annoyances of that an apron brings to a server. Like any server that puts an Ashley apron on and just clips it on, they fall in love with it right away. I mean,
let's put you on the spot. Show us your glam room, where your sewing room. Let's go look. Come on. Oh, it's too late. We're on a video right now.
No, I remember one time I forgot my Ashley apron with the pen pocket, and I was upset because I didn't have my pen pocket. I still had my Ashley apron, but I didn't have my pen pocket, and I was pissed. So, this is my lovely room.
Okay. Show us.
This is my glam squad.
Apron. Yeah, pretty nice. Look how the door fell off. That looks so ghetto in the video.
Yeah.
We gotta fix that track.
There's a bunch of
Don't look at that. We gotta fix that track. We recently moved in here, and
yeah.
we'll fix that. So show us the thing.
Show us what thing?
Your apron. How it clips.
Oh. Where did I put it? I don't sew them in
I'm
here.
fixing
Well,
that door
I sew
right
the-
after this video.
The custom one.
Huh? You get them all made at the manufacturer, but this is still your sewing for your designs and when you do new designs and stuff, right?
Yeah. So,
Let's see.
okay, see that?
Yeah.
That's my pen pocket with the bling.
Where?
See?
Oh, okay.
It's got bling on it. Swarovski element crystals. They stay on. I've washed this apron probably like 50 times, and they've never came off.
Okay. So this is an older one. You've been washing this and wearing this forever. This is the one you wear to work every single day.
Yeah, but look at it. It still looks good.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
And show the clip in the back and how it adjusts once.
Alright, so here's the adjuster on the side right there. So if I was going to work, I just go, boop,
Done. And then it stays in one spot.
Yep, and then you put your pens right here in this pocket.
Mm-hmm.
So the pens just stay right there. So they're not falling all down in here. So when you're freaking grabbing your book out or grabbing your pens or whatever, it's not like all down in here like searching for it. You just go, peep.
There you go. Sweet.
Peep. Oh, wait, here's
That's
the
genius.
adjustable.
And it's all double stitched. Okay.
Yeah, and you just pull it out right here.
Yep.
See? And then you just go boop. And then that makes it bigger, you know? It goes bigger than that, but I'm just showing you. And then if you want to make it tighter, you just pull it like that.
Awesome.
See?
Awesome.
And then you can put it through another
Because
loop.
we've been out to eat at restaurants, and she'll leave a business card everywhere she goes, or she'll show it to a waitress, and the waitress goes, "I want one," and then you sell them right on the spot.
Most of the time, if I have the apron with me, if I don't have an apron with me, they go, "What is it?
Yeah.
Huh?" Because they've never heard of it before, because it's nothing that's ever really been out there. Now, I get people all the time that send me pictures of, like, the fanny packs. Oh, this restaurant was wearing these clip-on things, and they were fucking fanny packs.
Look at her, she's passionate.
Well, they're fanny packs. I mean, come on. Like, this is a waitress apron. This is a 3.5 pocket waitress apron. Like, this is a standard apron that goes in all the restaurants.
What's this little side one?
That's like a little mini one.
That's sweet.
That's like a one pocket one.
Sweet.
But I'll probably end up doing the one pocket with like another pocket on top.
Smart.
But
See? Okay.
yeah.
Look at the link in the description below. She'll put it all in there.
I mean, honestly, like, just think about when you're getting off of work and the last thing you want to do. I remember when I would get off work and I'd have my apron tied on, and it would be tied on in the back, but I would have to, like, wrap it around twice. So I would tie it and I would double knot it because there wasn't enough string to, like, tie it in a bow because I would wrap it around twice or whatever. And it would be knotted, and I'd have to pee so bad when I got off work, too, and I'd get home, and my apron was still on, and all I wanted to do was just take my work clothes off, and my apron was knotted, and then I'm, like, pulling it around
Aggravated.
and going like this and trying to get it undone, and then finally I get it undone, and then I rip it off, and I'm like, ugh. This one, you're just like...
Clip.
Toop.
I like that's cool how you got that your little branding on there.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I mean, honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way. I don't know. If you're a server and you don't care about that kind of stuff, then you don't care. But
Yeah.
I care.
Yeah. Okay. Good job. Good
Thanks.
impromptu video.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Go to AshleyAprons.com.
Yeah, AshleyAprons.com. I'm going to be having more stock come in by the 1st of August. So if you need...
Oh, you don't even say that because in the video they could be watching this 3 years from now.
Oh, okay.
So go to AshleyAprons.com.
AshleyAprons.com. You can find me on Facebook, Etsy, Twitter, Instagram, yeah, and YouTube.
Yep, and it'll get shipped right to your front door. How long does it take to arrive?
Like 2 days.
And after they fill it all out?
Literally 2 days.
If they live across the country or something?
2 days.
Okay. And then it'll show up at your front door. Open it up, put it on, you're all set.
From the time you order to the time it's shipped, it's 2 days that you'll get it.
Oh, from the time it's shipped.
Okay, from the time you order,
Yeah.
1 to 3 days. Like, so pretty much 3 days. So from the time you order, it'll get shipped out, and then 2 days to get there. But it's really quick. It's like within that week.
Within the week.
I get compliments all the time on how fast my shipping is.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.